Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. What makes a vehicle truly enduring? Is it the strength of its build, or the reliability of its engine? Imagine a car that can weather the test of time, conquering rugged terrains and clocking miles upon miles without falter. Welcome to the world of Land Rover, where resilience meets innovation. Today, we embark on a journey through the annals of automotive history to uncover the top 5 most reliable Land Rover engines. So, buckle up as we delve into the heart of Land Rover's legacy, where power meets perseverance. Number 1. Rover 8. Let's kick off our exploration with a classic, the Rover 8 engine. Born from a collaboration between Land Rover and General Motors, this powerhouse made its debut in the 1960s. Originally a 215 cubic centimeter V8 from Buick, it underwent British craftsmanship to emerge as the robust 3.5-liter V8, delivering 158 horsepower. Initially gracing the P5B, this engine found its way into iconic models like the Range Rover series. Despite the transition to fuel-injected engines, the Rover 8's legacy endures, with vintage enthusiasts cherishing its reliability and longevity. Number 2. The 3.9-liter V8. Now, let's delve deeper into the legacy of the 3.9-liter V8, a true testament to endurance in the world of Land Rover engines. Emerging as the successor to its Buick-inspired predecessor, this powerhouse left an indelible mark on Land Rover's storied history. With 182 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque, it became the heartbeat of various Land Rover models from 1989 to 1998. Whether traversing rocky terrains or navigating urban landscapes, the 3.9-liter V8 demonstrated unwavering reliability and performance. Its presence under the hoods of vehicles like the Defender and Discovery elevated it to legendary status among enthusiasts. Beyond its power, it was the engine's ability to withstand the test of time that truly distinguished it. Owners recount tales of adventure and exploration, with vintage Range Rovers proudly displaying their high mileage as a badge of honor. In the annals of Land Rover history, the 3.9-liter V8 stands tall as a symbol of endurance and reliability, earning the admiration of adventurers worldwide. Number 3. The mighty 4.6-liter V8. Enter the mighty 4.6-liter V8, a powerhouse renowned for its unmatched power and steadfast dependability. Introduced in 1995, this engine represented the pinnacle of Land Rover engineering, boasting an impressive 222 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. Its arrival signaled a new era of capability and performance for Range Rover HSE models. Equipped with the 4.6-liter V8, these vehicles conquered rugged terrains and towing tasks with ease, showcasing the engine's formidable capabilities. Owners of 4.6-equipped HSE models marveled at its reliability, with many surpassing the 100,000-mile mark without skipping a beat. Reviews echoed the sentiment of enthusiasts worldwide, praising the engine's power, efficiency, and minimal maintenance requirements. From off-road adventures to daily commutes, the 4.6-liter V8 proved itself as a reliable companion, instilling confidence in drivers across the globe. Number 4. Supercharged 4.2-liter V8. In a league of its own is the supercharged 4.2-liter V8, defying the stereotype of forced induction engines with its exceptional reliability. Unveiled in 2008 and 2009 Range Rover Sport models, this powerhouse boasts unmatched performance, outclassing its naturally aspirated counterpart. With 390 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, it commands the road with authority, while retaining its reliability. Owners shower praise on its dependability, with reviews lauding its luxury and minimal maintenance, cementing its status as a standout among Land Rover engines. Number 5. TD5 Turbo Diesel. Rounding off our list is the TD5 Turbo Diesel, a testament to Land Rover's innovation in diesel technology. Debuting in 1998, this 5-cylinder engine found its home in Defender's and Discovery Series 2 models, earning acclaim for its reliability and performance. Despite initial teething issues, refinements over the years solidified its reputation as one of Land Rover's most dependable motors. Owners praise its resilience, recounting adventures through the toughest terrains with unwavering reliability, showcasing the true spirit of Land Rover engineering. The heart of every Land Rover beats with the resilience and dependability of its engine. From classic V8s to modern powerhouses, each motor embodies the spirit of adventure and endurance that defines the Land Rover legacy. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.